Anyway, I'm not able to understand, so there was no point. Okay, so IDM basically, let me tell you basics of identity management, Shashi. Uh, see, there are organizations which have their own applications and set of systems they use. Right? They might be using their resources, which may be their web portals, which may be their ERP systems, which may be their own databases, their operating systems, their legacy systems, maybe SAP system, mainframe systems, right? All these resources are basically used by different users of the organization, right? So when the user want to use these systems or applications or resources, okay, so there is a big threat to the security, right? So there has to be, some sort of processes, or you can say some sort of policies which needs to govern the security of whole organizations, right? So take example of a bank, right? So if unauthorized users come and do the access, right, there can be a big loss. Okay, similarly in a defense, right, if some illegal people or some unauthorized users get an access to the system, right, so a very important information can be leaked out or can be hacked. So there has to be a set of policies and processes which govern the security of an organization, and that set of policies and processes, right, is known as identity management. Right, identity is nothing but a security credential for a users. Right, you need to manage them. So that whole concept is driven from a security. Okay. So this is what about the identity.